Today I'm helping a client by adding a border to a blanket that she crocheted. She just needed a little help finishing the edges of the blanket, which can be tricky if you've never done it before. Here's the blanket. It's about a receiving blanket size. I'm using a 5.5mm hook. Use whatever gauge you need. So I will pick up where she left off. I'll start with a chain 1, single crochet into the very first stitch. And I'm going to place a marker so that I know where to join at the end of the round. The pattern I'll be doing the border in is known as a linen stitch, also known as the crochet moss stitch. And it's really 2 stitches, just single crochet, chain 1, and then you're going to skip the next stitch and then single crochet into the next stitch. And you're just going to repeat that. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and so on. And as you can see, it's already looking finished. So just continue on. And when you get to the end, it's time to turn the corner. In the corner, I'm going to insert the hook and do a single crochet followed by a chain 3 and then single crochet into the same stitch, and that turns the corner. Once you've turned the corner, just continue in pattern. I've reached the other selvage edge where it's bars and bumps, but this time it's offset. So instead of single crocheting into the bar, I'm going to be single crocheting into the bump and skipping over the bar. I've just about gone all the way around, and now I need to work my last corner before I join the round. So I'm going to work the corner into the last stitch, which happens to be a little tight because it's a chain, but work as before, single crochet into that space, chain 3, and single crochet into the same space. And that will be the last stitch before you join. Normally we would slip stitch to join, but in this case we're going to do a single crochet to join. That will take place of the chain 1 that would normally be there. So single crochet to join, and now we can start the next round. Remove the marker. And now we're starting the next round. I'll start with a chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet directly below into that chain 1 space, which is really a single crochet. So single crochet, replace your marker, and then we're going to start the pattern again. So to continue on, single crochet into the chain 1 space below, chain 1, skip a single crochet, and then single crochet into the chain 1 space. So just continue on in pattern, and in the corners, work your single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space from the previous round. I continued for several more rounds until the border was about 1.5 inches, according to what the client asked for. The stitch is really smooth, shiny. It contrasts nicely with the stitch that she did for the blanket itself. It's reversible, and it's done.